Hi everybody, Asong Filipina again, it's me. So today I'm going to unbox these flip-flops. So I'm gonna show you what I have here. I shot yesterday at SM Mall nearby. So I drive like 1 hour to almost 2 hours to get these flip-flops because they have more stocks. So I'm gonna show you what I have. So first is dark blue. I think I have this one already. I'm not sure, but this one, the strap is with glitter. So I'm gonna just show you everything I have this time before we try on. I'm gonna put it here. So that's dark blue with the glitter strap. So also this one, wedges, flip-flop wedges. So it's cream, and also the strap is with beads. Here and the same style, only different color, maroon, and also with beads design. I'm not sure if this is beads, kind of crystal clear. Okay, I'm gonna just remove the price tag. So my flip-flop size depends because there are also sizes, size 6, then it's smaller into my feet. And this one, I choose size 6, so this is I think Philippine size. With Euro also 6 or 5. So another thick flip-flops. This is beautiful. Most requested flip-flops, this style, this kind of flip-flop style. So it's lime green, and also with this glossy strap here and with the small design. It's a thong flip-flops, so I think that's what they call it. So I'm gonna put it here. So next is, again, I have white, dark blue, and light blue of this one, and now pink. So I will remove this. So in the Philippines, this is not so expensive. This is about $4.60, 100. No, this is about $3. So I'm gonna put it here again. So this is almost the same thickness. Okay, just remove that like that. So another one. This one is the Planets brand, but this is all not a sponsored video, so I'm gonna remove the tag. So this is kind of dirty white here. So okay, let's see white because it looks white in the camera, and here the bottom is black. So the design is really stylish. So white and black design. So I'm gonna put it here. Okay, this one is also a flip-flops from Pacific Surf. Again, we have to remove the tag, and the color is, it looks like cream. It's also very nice. It's also with the design in the strap. Another the same flip-flops. Here, they're same but different color. only this one is like a moss green here and very light green, like net. I don't know. That's how it looks like to me. So it's also from Planet brand. And this one is very attractive color from Island. So this is also like $3 and very dark blue, bright blue. So I call it bright because it's really bright. And orange strap. So super cute. Put it there. So next, oh, this is like brown orange. Brown orange flip-flops, and the strap is with red heart design. So cute. So I'm just gonna show you, I think, all what I shop, and then next video we're going to try on all of these flip-flops. So I'm just gonna put it here. So I have followers also asking me why I have so much flip-flops. Well, I have customer in my Patreon and also custom video is asking more or requesting more flip-flops and high heels. So mostly I'm more on flip-flops, but I also use this one for my channel. So next is light blue. This is so cute. Light blue, and the strap is with glitter. So it's very cute. So we're going to remove again the price tag, and then this is how it looks like. I think it's far, but then I can show you later. So I'm gonna make picture each one of these flip-flops later. So next, pink. Okay, this is from Island Souvenir, but again, not a sponsored video. So they really have a bright color from Island brand. So this one is also same brand, Island, and it's very bright blue, and this one also is very bright pink with a blue-green strap. So that's how it looks like to me. So again, we still have coming up. So again, so now we have this brown and white footbed. So okay, this in the bottom is brown and here is white. So I think you cannot see it well, but I'm gonna just put it here and make pictures one by one later. So again, another one. So this is light pink and dark pink in the bottom. So actually, all of this is different color, different style. I'll put it here. And lastly, I have with heart design, pink heart design and heart design in the foot. So, gonna remove. This is from Two Berries. So it's cream color. Don't mind the goat outside. It's not mine, it's from my neighbor. Okay, so far that's all we have. That's all that we have. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 pairs of flip-flops. So I'm happy to have this one, and I hope you're happy too. See you next video.